We went to the biggest zoo in Mauritius, Casela Nature Park. First up, this giant turtle, basically the chillest tour in the whole park. Then we met some zebras, and guess what? They were totally vibing with us. Suddenly, a wild peacock appeared, cute and colorful. Then there was this tiger who looked like he was waiting for Netflix and snacks. A total mood. Oh, and these cute little rabbits running around like they were late for a bunny meeting. Casela isn't just a zoo, it's a full on animal party, and guess who got invited? Finally, me, casually riding this giant, living my safari dream one slow step at a time.